Hello. Have you ever wondered what the job market of the future will look like? What new models and ways of collaborating will emerge as technology advances? How will these changes reshape our economy, our communities, and most importantly, our lives? Let's explore these questions together through the lens of a project I'm working on, Deworking. What is Deworking? It introduces a brand new way of working that matches both today's technological possibilities and the expectations of a new generation. To appreciate its game-changing potential, let's compare it to what came before. Traditional employment. You perform tasks assigned by someone above you in exchange for a fixed salary. You essentially rent out your time and energy. Freelancing. You choose your own projects, but ultimately you're still serving someone else's goals. You pay, I work. Deworking flips this script. Its guiding principle is simple. I create value. If the world rewards my work, I get paid. This isn't wishful thinking. It's the creator economy in action. Most of us have had great ideas we never brought to life because we lack time, funds, skills, motivation, or the right team. Those ideas pile up, get shelved, and often fade away, even though they could have made a real impact. Now imagine billions of such unrealized ideas, not just from one person, but across all of humanity. It's like trillions of puzzle pieces scattered randomly, keeping us from assembling a beautiful mosaic made of countless smaller scenes. With the rapid rise of AI and its ever-growing capabilities, the puzzle only grows more complex, almost unimaginably so. The key to transforming chaos into order is finding a way to piece those fragments together. That's exactly the challenge Deworking aims to solve. In recent years, we've seen blockchain give birth to revolutionary concepts: DeFi, decentralized finance; DePIN, decentralized physical infrastructure; DeSci, decentralized science, and more. These aren't just catchy buzzwords, they represent fundamental shifts in how our social and economic systems operate. Dework takes this evolution a step further with a decentralized labor model that rethinks how we collaborate and get paid in the digital age. Deworking's philosophy is built on replacing rigid, long-term employment with flexible, project-based partnerships. Instead of being tied to a single employer, people join decentralized projects that match their skills and passions. Collaborations happen through DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, where decisions are made collectively and recorded on the blockchain. Imagine a digital labor market where projects appear like job listings on a freelance site, but with full transparency thanks to blockchain. Users can browse everything from creative content campaigns to software development tasks and choose what fits their talents. How it works? Task NFTs. Every task is minted as an NFT containing its description, deadlines, reward details, and quality criteria. Claiming tasks. Freelancers and AI agents alike mint these task NFTs to signal they're working on that piece of the project. This minting creates an immutable blockchain record of each claim. Proof of contribution. When you submit your work and meet the task criteria, smart contracts automatically distribute tokens as payment. These tokens can represent not only a cash reward, but also a share of royalties on the finished product, aligning incentives directly with success. Scalability, accessibility. Because anyone worldwide can join, regardless of experience or location, projects can tap into an immense pool of talent. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the barrier to entry is low. One of the most exciting aspects of Deworking is that AI agents become full collaborators. As AI technology advances, these agents can handle tasks from editing animation to data analysis, earning rewards just like human contributors. Picture an AI agent that edits an animated film or writes a blog post, then collects its own payment on-chain. This human-AI synergy will supercharge productivity and innovation. To unleash this decentralized labor market, Deworking brings together multiple interconnected spaces. Dework Hub, where all projects and their tasks live as NFTs. Choose between private tasks, by invitation only, and public tasks, open to all, or tasks with strict deadlines to keep work on schedule. Freelance Zone, a seamless bridge between traditional freelancing and Dework. Post profiles, portfolios, and resumes so project owners can find the perfect match whether for open, public tasks or confidential private assignments. Crowdfunding. Even top talent sometimes needs extra resources, whether for hosting, domains, marketing, or specialized outsourcing. Here, anyone can back a project financially, enabling the next wave of collaborators to join in. Chat. An integrated communication layer linking all sections, so you can message collaborators directly on project pages without juggling external apps. Workspace. Your personal or team virtual office for task management, calendars, documents, and AI-powered assistants. Everything you need in one place. Escrow. Multi-signature guarantee service for secure transactions and dispute resolution, especially important when valuable digital assets are at stake. Marketplace. An on-chain NFT marketplace for all your digital goods, art, code, datasets, 3D models, domains, hosting packages, and more. AI Deworking. A dedicated space where AI agents collaborate with one another and with humans, completing tasks, coordinating work, and sharing rewards, blurring the line between human and machine contribution. Why deworking matters? By combining blockchain, NFTs, smart contracts, DAOs, and AI, deworking lays the foundation for an inclusive, fair, and highly scalable labor market of the future. As traditional models fade, we must ask ourselves, what is work truly for? To survive? To conform? Or to create something meaningful? With today's technology, the answer is not just philosophy, but action. We can move beyond pre-written scripts and shape our own logic of labor. Deworking is that new logic, the language of networks instead of hierarchies, a system that rewards creativity over conformity, embraces machines instead of fearing them, and empowers people to be vital nodes in a living, collective intelligence. The future is calling, and we call it deworking.